Hi, this is Amanda, and today's layout came together so quickly. I went ahead and I had found this layout with, I think it's Wonderful paper, and the colors work really well with the postcards that were with some of my husband's photos from his senior trip. So I'm just kind of putting there's three real photos, the one with the people in it, and that's why I changed sides. Because I find when you look at a layout, your eye typically is drawn to the right. So I wanted that to be kind of a feature, so I switched left to right. And now I'm kind of grouping the photos like with like. So the other two photos that I have are pictures of the roller coaster, the dragon coaster, I think it is, from a distance as they're approaching Canadians Wonderland. So I'm really just kind of grouping things. I have these big postcards, and then I have a whole set of little postcards, like the pirate ship came with these little postcard set, the dragon and the roller coaster photo on the bottom right also came from this little set. And how do I know there's 10? Because I have a receipt that I ended up finding later on my desk, and I ended up tucking it in up top, but it's not in this video. I apologize for that. The blog photos will have that included if you want to take a look at that. So I'm just kind of trying to figure out sizes and cutting the white strips off of from these mini postcards just to get an idea of what's going to fit. I struggled with this because I could get them to fit, but they weren't going to be symmetrical with the papers in the background. The two white mats here actually work really well because I could cut the old photos down and really focus on the image of the roller coaster track. So I thought that worked out really well. So I'm just trimming those down, and as you saw, I measured them. It's kind of nice. This, like I said, this layout comes together so quickly because everything's already embellished. Big ideas and my photos. My husband really likes this layout. I took that to him, and he'll do the journaling on it later. And we know that it happened in the spring of '88, but we don't know, he doesn't remember really any of his feelings or thoughts for that day. But he said, we must have been excited about the roller coaster because these are the photos of us driving to the park. And to make the people, because I have the one picture of the people stand out, I'm highlighting that smoothie color that's in some of the background paper, the subway maps that you kind of see, and also in the sequins that are around the page. And then with the Yogi Bear postcard, one of the girls in front of Yogi Bear has almost that same color dress on. So I'm going to kind of tie things in with color, and I'll mat the Yogi Bear photo, and I'll mat the photo with the high schoolers in it. And the high schoolers are holding something in their hand, two of the girls are, and they kind of look like mini basketballs that maybe they won at one of the Midway games. So it works. And you can see here now that I've matted those photos, I think the people definitely stand out more. And I'm just kind of dry fitting the stuff, the photos and the postcards. I really like the postcards in that pocket. I'll cut a slit in my page protector so that people can pull those out. And those are a really heavy duty postcard, but I think I might go ahead and encapsulate them in a clear bag so that if people want to pull them out, they won't get too mangled over the years. So that was another postcard. It's actually a duplicate of the mini postcard of the roller coaster. I keep saying postcard a lot. I apologize. But it had the "We Survived the Dragon" underneath of it, and I thought that was kind of a cool subtitle or a little journaling, jot. So I cut that out, and then I realized on the back of the big postcard, it gave a description of the roller coaster, and I cut that out as well, and you'll see that I am trying to incorporate it into the layout. I ended up losing it for a minute or 10, but I found it later and I incorporate it as well. And that's not, again, in the video. You'll see, I'll show you later where I end up putting it in. So I have the three elements of the smoothie. So the little journaling with the "We Survived the Roller Coaster" on the Yogi Bear, and then on the people. Oh, there's the the directions or the detailed description from Canadian Wonderland about the roller coaster. And I ended up doing a stack. They call it a waterfall, but all that it is I will adhere the bottom photograph to the layout, and then the top photograph I just basically will use a piece of tape. In this case, it's going to be washi tape as a hinge, and it will act as a, like I said, as a hinge to open and close that dragon. So I will put some stuff on the back of the dragon, and I lost the description, but eventually I do put it on that smoothie cardstock that I covered the back of the postcard with. So this is it. This is how it goes. If you like what you saw today and want to see more, go ahead and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Oh, wait, there's some more videos in this series. I'm just getting started on it. But if you want to check out what I did earlier, here's the links. Have a great day.